Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little spend the evening with me. I literally just came in from work and I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be getting up to this evening. I've done one of these already. You guys really seem to like it, so here I am giving you guys another one. I'm a little bit oily today like always. Always so oily during the day. Look at that. I have dehydrated skin, and so when you have dehydrated skin, you just produce a lot of oil, and this is just me. I'm not really like a big water drinker, but really I try for up the water intake, so the skin don't really have to look this oily, like it are overproduce, like it are overdo something to produce local moisture. But we will sort it out. I need to make my bed. I don't really have time in the morning sometimes to wet my bed because I get up at the last minute when I need to get ready for work. So if I make the bed, I'm gonna be late. So I prioritize the sleep than to make the bed. So when I come in at the evening, I like to just make my bed and stuff and then kind of clean up the space a little bit, just so later on in the evening when I'm ready to come to bed, I can actually sleep properly. Laundry for fall. So in terms of dinner, I didn't meal prep today because last week I ordered back my HelloFresh. Absolutely love the HelloFresh, you know. Really love that I have like so many different meals you can try, and it just makes me really excited about cooking and stuff. So I've reordered my meals for the week for HelloFresh, so I'm really excited about that. I need to get out the box. Let me put you guys down first. So really excited about that. So looking forward. I can't remember exactly off the top of my head what I ordered, but I'm looking forward to cooking some of that tonight. This is me. So I've ordered 5 meals for the week, and I did like a servings. 5 meals for the week for 2 people. It's just me. It's just that I always have lunch as well the next day. I don't want to buy food and then still end up having to buy lunch as well. It just doesn't make sense to me. So it only makes sense for me to get 2 instead of 1. I'm going to leave my code down below as well if you guys want to get £46 off, maybe like a free box or so, then I'll leave the code down below so you can go ahead and use my code, and then when you do, I get money off as well. So win-win for everybody. I'm going to show you guys what I got. You get like a lot of stuff here. These are like discount codes, free boxes for like a friend, all of that. And then this is how it comes packaged and stuff. Like I said, I ordered 5 meals for 2 people, and they kind of come with a number on the package to tell you what number meal it is, and then the number is also here. So I kind of ordered majority of my stuff is like high carbs. I think a lot of carbs, protein, because girl trying to keep the weight and I'm building, so I need to be eating my protein and eating my carbs. So I ordered, this is like a speedy veggie type of thing. This looks good, but I won't be eating this today because I already made bolognese. And then I have like this jerk style cod. This looks nice too. This looks like a little Friday meal because it have like the sweet potato wedges. I had pasta today, so I won't be having this. Rigatoni. Yeah, this is what this one looks like. This looks yummy. Probably do this on Wednesday. Ooh, this is what I'm doing today. This is the tandoori style Hasselback chicken. This looks really good. So I'm gonna do this one today, like a tandoori chicken type of thing. And then we have some chicken fried rice. This also looks good. So yeah, that is basically all the meals that I picked out for the week.
front of the whole world. Why you would do that?
Because the man that disrespecting the man.
But listen, you're in front of the whole world?
Maybe I've probably something else, don't it? They probably have him up from here and there or something.
But
and the anger just come out and he just punch him in the face. But he never have to do it and never have to show it because I just act like in the ear man, then angry it outside.
Angry it afterwards privately. But at the fact say for one, you laugh at first. Why you mad?
Yeah.
You want somebody laugh better than come lick in your face.
Yeah.
You would have shocked
because he knows that he's a comedian, don't it? So he probably should have just leave it alone.
Just leave it alone. You know, so the man doesn't make him bread. You just make him look one forward and go through.
But he probably never see the one day come.
But how angry him get after him? Why you laugh at the joke? If it's a burn you, don't laugh. Like just keep a straight
But then
face.
after him say something and him start shout, don't it? Like angry, like don't keep my wife name out of your mouth.
Out of your mouth.
And then he just go up and punch him and walk away.
No, afterwards. Him laugh, then him punch him, then him come back down and them start have the verbal altercation.
I go to the Saturday. I just support type on TikTok.
Vloggy vlog? Oh, you not record? Oh, you record? Vloggy vlog, wagwan. We just come off of the slave work, she. Just unwind.
I got probably do the 1 year. It's on Dory, she. Take them out and then do a little TikTok.
Look how that look.
Where me know like I'm look?
It look like too much of going in there.
Really?
Like
It
your
look
mouth
nice
was confused.
You know, remember come eat tandoori prawn at the market I work and it tastes really good.
Really?
So that's why I order this. No man, it's nice. Tandoori prawn wicked. So I see the chicken and I say,
But at least you have learned your recipes though, so that good again carry them with you. When you're done, you can make Indian, Jamaican, and
everything. No man, the tandoori don't look too bad. So I get a fried rice.
I want some of the fried rice.
The fried rice, she look like sugar nice. Let me see what say, we done mix the chicken and the prawn with it. Let me get she.
Oh, that would be nice.
With the
chicken and the prawn. Muff it up.
I just got out of the shower feeling nice and fresh. My skin is a little bit dry now. So I'm gonna do my skincare. So step 1 in the skincare is rain. So I'm gonna tone my face. I used the nighttime cream as well, but it's finished. This thing is so fucking expensive, but it served for a long time. I probably have like a little bit of scrapings left and I can like scrape it out. I need to repurchase this. So I'm gonna buy that back. Actually, I'm gonna buy it on TikTok because I saw both items together on TikTok for like £39 and this alone of £49 I think, and that was like 20 something pounds. So it only makes sense if you ever buy it to just buy it on TikTok, save some money. That's what I realized the other day, like TikTok does massive sales on there. Next step is my benzoyl peroxide treatment by Anna.org. This does kind of help me to keep the bumps and the breakouts to a minimum. This actually needs to dry on my skin for about 15 minutes or whenever when it dry. So I'm gonna let it dry. Normally I just put on the products after because my camera wait. I'm gonna make it dry and then you can finish the skincare a little bit later. Basically what I'm doing is just kind of prepping the food. It's a lot of prepping that you need to do when you're cooking these stuff. I preheated the oven, so I'm gonna do the chicken. We're roasting them, so I'm gonna just wash that with some lemon juice, and I preheated the oven, so now I need to trim the beans, and then peel and grate the garlic, and then chop up the coriander. So that's what I'm gonna do. rice smell so good. So I basically just put turmeric in the chicken stock. I think I've done this rice already when I put turmeric in there. Just make it kind of yellowish. And my chicken is in the oven another 17 minutes and it's done. It's smelling real good up in here. So basically when the rice is done cooked, I'm gonna do the beans and then I'm gonna add the remaining coriander and chili in the beans in the rice. So it's gonna be like one of them ones. But I kind of have this sauce as well, yogurt and all that shit. It's really, really good. So that's also nice. I forget going.
Okay, let him keep going.
Where is Steve?
Because him have mix up Mondays though. That's why I know this. Every Monday I'm go live and just talk about everything like I'm in Jamaica.
Wow.
Him said to somebody says, so from know you to from your band till now all you close that. Your house is burned down.
The same food.
The same brother friends now here, so your house is burned down at one point in time.
You feel to do.
Him rude bad.
Yeah, forget what she be. Look how good this rice is looking. So good. It's not done yet though. Need to dry down a little bit more. You know what's done though? My chicken is finished. It's been going off like crazy. I'm gonna take out my chicken. Let my rice steam down for a little bit more minutes on low. And then we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat dinner. I am starving. I am so hungry. I have to be vlogging on my phone because I kind of changed. My battery is dead. Basically, I plugged it in. So we're gonna do this taste test on my mobile. I still need to get the chicken as well. The rice is really good. This is really good. This is actually something that I'll make again. Dinner was really good, but now I really want to sleep. It's after 9. I don't know how the time, the day them just go so honestly. But when me at work, the time just creep, like literally just creep. But anyways, I'm just gonna clean up and then I can get ready for bed now because I'm mad sleepy after dinner. Like itis kicked right in. But I just have this left. I'll put it in the bin. I need to, like I said, just put the dishes in the dishwasher. Then kind of dish out some food to bring over tomorrow for my lunch. Make some tea. I like to drink tea at night time. It just helped me to digest. So I'm gonna do that after I'm done clean up. I have some oats in here. I brought this to work this morning. I'm just gonna top it up. I'm gonna have oats for breakfast. This is the top of my head. That's a healthy meal. And then tomorrow I'm gonna cook again. So I've made my tea. I'm gonna come get ready to go to bed, guys. I'm so tired. I've put the dishes in the dishwasher as well. I'm still yet to take out my laundry, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Like, one thing about me, I hate folding laundry. Like, once more wash, like when I'm done, I forgot and fold the laundry and then put it up. It's annoying, so I try to long it out as long as I can. But I'm gonna take them up tomorrow. But I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope it's not all over the place. I hope I get enough footage for you guys. And I need to finish my skincare as well. I'll finish that after I'm done drink my tea and ready to brush my teeth. I will be sure to catch you guys in another one. Bye.